everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. In this video, we'll show you how to create custom channel mappings so you can group your traffic and analyze it more effectively. So let's get started. Once you're on the dashboard, go to Settings, then open Workspace Settings and click on Channel Mapping. This is where you can define how your traffic gets grouped into channels. These channels help you organize traffic sources into meaningful groups. Now let's create a new one. Click on Add Channel. You can either edit an existing channel or create a new one here. We'll create a new channel. Start by giving your channel a name. For this example, we'll call it AI Traffic. Now, in the Value section, let's define what kind of traffic we want in this channel. Say, for example, we want to group all AI traffic into one channel. You can choose parameters like UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign, page, URL referrer. We'll select UTM source, then choose whether the value is or contains. Now enter your first value, for example, ChatGPT. Since we want all AI traffic in one place, we can add more values. For example, we can also include Gemini. This way, traffic coming from different AI tools will all be grouped under the same AI traffic channel. Once you've added your conditions, click on Add Channel, and your custom channel will be created. Now, you'll also be able to see this channel in your marketing channels and source attribution dashboards. There, you can view insights for this channel, analyze performance, and track conversions coming from these AI sources. That's how you can easily group and analyze your traffic using custom channel mapping. Give it a try and start organizing your data in a way that actually makes sense for your business. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to explore more features to get the most out of your analytics.